have a really demanding day, so I'm constantly on the lookout for any kind of backup I can get to help me out in that situation.
How do you stay motivated to be healthy?
I have to be healthy just to keep up with them. And I don't want to just keep up with them. I want to be able to go for bike rides and do all of that and still enjoy my life too. There was a time where I was kind of feeling really tired and I got an IV drip and it made me feel so much better. I was saying it's good for cell regeneration, but my problem is I don't have the time for that.
I started taking our NAD complex, and for me, it was like a brain fog lifted that I found really hard to shake since having kids. It's the lack of sleep. It's like mental torture. And so when I started taking that, it just really helped with my mental clarity. And then it's almost like from there, you can build.
For me, it just felt like the world seemed a bit brighter. You know, I'm in my 40s, my NAD levels are decreasing. So if there's a way that I can actually support them, and something simple, that's what I want. You know what you're talking about. You've got the expertise. It's backed with science. It's third-party tested. I just feel like I can trust it.
Finding something that you love, that you know is efficient and effective and that works is really empowering.